Hello everybody, this is dietitian Aisha. Today what I am going to talk about is obesity. Obesity is usually associated with sedentary behavior and it creates several health issues. So in this video I'll be sharing some tips regarding obesity management through diet and lifestyle. Obesity can be managed by following a healthy diet and avoiding those foods which increase your weight. So, the definition of obesity, what is obesity is, it is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to the extent that it may have a negative effect on your health, leading to reduced life expectancy and or increased health problems. Obesity is usually classified into grade 1, 2 and 3, and it is classified based on the BMI, and BMI is calculated as weight in kgs by your height in meters. That will give the BMI, and depending upon the BMI you are classified whether you are underweight or you have a normal weight or overweight or obese or morbid obese. The BMI above 40 will be considered as morbid obese also, and it can be managed by diet through eating the balanced diet, and a balanced diet contains carbohydrates, protein, fat, fiber and more of healthy fat. So you have to divide your portions into that much quantity that may help to reduce your weight, and you should go for healthy fat and healthy carbohydrates. These are the superfoods which help you to lose your weight, like apple cider vinegar and green tea, black pepper, cardamom, cucumber and cumin. While meat, chicken, and poultry should be consumed after they have been cooked properly, but some vegetables provide added benefits when consumed raw. So, tomatoes, spinach, carrots, and corn are some of the most common vegetables that can be safely consumed in their uncooked state. You can try creating a salad of all these ingredients and have it every day. So, try to follow these tips and have good amounts of salad every time of your meal, and sleep properly because sleep regulates the body's functions and aids in the proper digestion. It also helps to maintain the normal metabolic rate of the body, which is very essential in shedding the excess fat from your body. So minimum 8 hours of sleep is recommended for an adult. Sleep also decreases the stress hormone, and it helps your body increasing your immunity and fight against other diseases also. So try to sleep better for better mood also, and avoid sugary products, because any sugar that is found in fruits and vegetables are naturally occurring sugars. But if you want to reduce weight, try to restrict yourselves to consuming these sugars only, and if you go for other artificial sugars it will increase your weight. This means that you need to cut down on sweets, ice creams and aerated drinks and similar products. Instead of adding sugar into your foods, try to incorporate the naturally occurring sweetness in vegetables and fruits. This will help to reduce your weight and shed down fats from your body also. And stress and tension have become quite common in today's world. Everyone seems to be rushing from one place to the other with a million tasks at hand. While work and income are important, don't be so consumed by it that you forget to enjoy certain pleasures of life. Research has indicated that a stressed out person has greater difficulty in losing weight than a relaxed individual. So live a life stress free. Low weight. Lemon water and honey are two of the most common ingredients found across kitchens in India. Each morning, make a glass of lemon water and add 2 teaspoons full of honey into this water and consume it daily once. And spices like fenugreek, these increase the metabolic rate of the body, leading to fat loss. And carom seeds, ajwain, also helps in the weight loss process. Black cumin seeds, kali jeera, are great for fat loss around the belly and can aid in reducing the overall weight also. So try to add these type of spices in your diet by mixing in warm water. And cinnamon is regularly used spice in many Indian dishes, both sweet and savory. However, you may not be aware of the fact that cinnamon greatly aids in reducing weight. The spice comes with internal properties that curb the sugar cravings and also helps regulate the insulin level in the blood. So try to add these types of foods in your diet. You can make cinnamon tea also and add this spice in your rice also. And garlic is known to possess antiseptic properties and is found in every Indian kitchen. However, chewing 2 or more cloves of garlic every morning is very beneficial when it comes to weight loss. And garlic has a very pungent smell and taste, but which may put you off from it. Try to form a habit of chewing raw garlic, even though it may be repulsive the first few times, but remember to brush your teeth well after you have this raw garlic. And consume more water. Minimum 7 to 8 glasses of water is recommended.